Good morning. I want to share with you how to make your flyer because this is the final step in your descriptive writing. So what you're going to do is go to your descriptive writing assignment. And yesterday, you should have completed slide 12 where you wrote a descriptive paragraph about your gingerbread house. What you're going to do today is copy whatever you have inside there. And for the sake of this assignment, I'm going to use the example. So I would copy from there, your copy and of course your own. And then I'm going to go to slide 16 and I'm going to paste it over here on the side. And I'm going to have to resize it because otherwise it's not going to fit on there. So I just resize it so that it fits inside on this side. There we go. Like that. Okay, so now I need to upload my picture so that it's in there. And one thing that I told you could do is email yourself your gingerbread house. So that's what I've done. I took a picture of it and emailed it to myself. Now I can open it in my email, and if I click this, Add to Drive, it will automatically add this picture to my Google Drive. So now what I'm going to do is go to Insert Image, and I'm going to go from my drive. And then it pulls up my Google Drive over here on the side, which is pretty cool. And then I should have, let's go to Recent. I'm not seeing it yet. Okay, there it is. So I found it, I selected it. Now I've just got to resize it so that it fits right here. Okay, so I have my description paragraph over here and the picture that it's describing here. And then I just add my sales price, whatever I'm going to sell my gingerbread house for. And I want to make that bigger. And I think I'm going to center it. There we go. And maybe instead of an and sign, I put a dollar sign. There we go. Anyway, so you get the idea. That's how you will create the flyer. Then on this side, same thing. I'm going to put my picture here, and then it says add your realtor quote. It could be anything. You could put, "Don't miss out on this wonderful opportunity," something like that. I could even insert shape, and I could say, let's see, I want this to be red. Oops, that's not what I wanted. I want this to move. There we go. And then I can insert a text box and say price reduced to try to capture people's attention, right? And then make that bigger. Center that. Those that have had desktop publishing with me, this will be pretty simple because you've learned how to do all these things. If you have not taken desktop publishing yet, these are the types of things that we learn to do. I'm going to size that down just a little bit. All right, so anyway, you get the idea. You would just put your contact information here, maybe your email address, something like that. Your fake address for your gingerbread house goes down here, and then the picture down here. So I could put 1, 2, 3, 4 Holiday Lane. Something like that. I'm going to get rid of this text box. I don't need that there. Then I'm going to insert image from my drive. Insert this. I'm going to make it just a little bit smaller. There we go. Now I can like that. Then I'm just going to get rid of that. Okay, something like that. My info here. So I've got 2 sides to my flyer. The most important thing is your description that matches your picture on slide 16, and then you can put your address and all that fun stuff on slide 15. If you have any questions, please email me. I'd be happy to help you. I just wanted you to see how to actually put this flyer together. Have a wonderful Christmas break. I can't wait to read all of your writing, and I will see you next year. Bye, everybody.